beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, to all my subbies, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tata and I like to do videos on my fashion, style and home decor. So today's video is something I've been looking forward to do for a very long time, and it is an unboxing from the brand Dynasty George. When I first got into the cottagecore fashion, I was really, I like the fashion, but I really wanted to see more black designers designing similar aesthetic style dresses, and I couldn't find any, and so happens that the universe sent me through Instagram, and I found this from another influencer. She posted like black cottagecore designers, and I found Dynasty George, and I was so happy to find it because it was everything that I was looking for in a brand: the style, the fashion, the clothing. It was beautiful. Let's talk about the packaging. So she's like, if you follow her on her Instagram page, she documented every little single detail from the packaging all the way to the dresses, and I fell in love. So this is the packaging. As you can see, she put a lot of thought and detail into it. It came in this box. The box open, and inside you have a little handwritten thank you note, and she did that with everyone who helped founded her project. So there's a beautiful illustration of the collection, and then you have the clothing. A little info on who Dynasty George is. She is a woman of color. She is a mom. She started her brand in her home, and now she has production in India. She's a sustainable brand. She is ethical. She is everything I look for in a brand. I think what a brand should be, and she is so nice. So definitely check out her. I don't know if she has a website, but I'm not sure if what I'm going to show you will be on the website. But just follow her on Instagram. She posts non-stop and she keeps everyone updated. There was a delay with delivery because of COVID and the impact it had on India, so a lot of her artisans couldn't work, so it was a delay. But she, communicate clearly with her customers and her followers, and I was fine. I'm like, whatever, I don't care, take your time, I don't care as long as it takes. Take your time and get what needs to be done. I said, like, this package is giving me luxury, it's giving me Chanel, it's giving me Louis Vuitton, it's giving me like I purchased something from an old designer house, and it is designer, so what do you expect? So I got two dresses. I got the floral renaissance and the Daphne dress in pink, and I will show you that later on in the video. I'll try that on, but I'm just going to talk to you about the packaging. So the dress came individually wrapped in these beautiful sacks with the same design, the same pattern design on the box. And this, and I'm pretty sure because she posted these when she was ordering them. I think these are sustainable material. And also her dresses are made from dead stock fabric, so nothing goes to waste. And I will leave all her information in the link below so you can check her out yourself. So let's try on these dresses. Okay guys, so this is dress number 1. This is the Daphne dress. And it comes, it comes in I think 2 other colors. I know there's a nice neutral color, looks like a cream off-white color. So beautiful. I think I might get that next, but I got the pink, of course, because I love pink. And it has this beautiful print of flowers printed onto the fabric, and then there's Sharon right under the bust. And I like how it makes my boobs look. I'll go come in closer. You see, it kind of gives it like a underbust corset look. I really love that. So also there's elastic all over the neckline, and then there's elastic at the wrist area, but it's not too tight. It's nice and loose. Also in the back, it comes with a tie. That's how it looks in the back. It's very, very beautiful. So this dress is very, very lightweight. I think it's either, I think it has to be cotton. I'm not sure. Could be, I don't think it's linen, but I'm not sure. I think it's cotton. But it's a beautiful lightweight dress. Great for the summertime and the spring. If you're not into the long sleeve, you could always pull it up. I think I'll wear it like this now that's a little hot, and it gives you that puffy sleeve look, which is very in for the cottagecore fashion. But it's a very, very beautiful dress. My height, I'm 5'2.5", and the dress just hits below my calf. So the taller you are, the shorter it's gonna look. So this is more like a midi dress, and it's very, very lightweight. It trills, as you can see. But I do love the dress. Okay guys, and this dress is the star of the show. This is what I saw and I knew I needed to have it. This is the Renaissance floral dress, and as you can see, it has Sharon at the top, and then it flows down to a long flowy skirt. And you can't see, but it's a tiered skirt, so it's like different fabrics attached, and it gives you this kind of flowy skirt silhouette. But it's so beautiful, and what I really like is that it's adjustable on the straps. The straps are adjustable, so you could untie this and make it higher or lower depending on how you want it to fit. And because of the Sharon all over the bust area and also goes in the back, this is great for my ladies who have bigger busts. So I will say, like, if you're gonna get this, I got a size small in these two dresses, but this is very forgiving if you have bigger boobs, or if you have little boobs, it doesn't matter. It just forms to your body shape, but it's very comfortable. This has a tad bit more weight to the dress, which I like, so you know it's good material. I think this has to be cotton, but if you look closely, this is the print. It has these beautiful roses, and there's like a, I'm not sure what this pattern is called, but there's a pattern. So, and it's more of a off-white color, but this dress is absolutely beautiful. I really do love this dress, and it's so good, and definitely a nice summer dress. You could definitely wear this on a very hot day, and this is definitely a maxi length dress. On me, it hits all the way to my ankles, but it's not dragging on the floor. So if you're a little shorter than me, again, I'm 5'2.5", so if you're any shorter than me, it's gonna drag on the floor, but that can be easily fixed with some heels or wedges just to lift it up. But it's really nice, fits really nice. I love how it looks. Very beautiful dress, and I paid $198 for this dress. So just be aware that you're gonna be, if you do get it, unless you do a sale, I'm not sure, but if you do get it, you're gonna pay a little bit more. But again, you're gonna pay, it's a dress, it's a lot of money, but you're paying for quality, and this is gonna last. Okay guys, and that's all I have to share with you today. If you have any questions about ordering the dresses, the size, anything, please leave a comment below and I'll answer it, or you could just leave a comment to say hi. I will say hello to you too. Also follow me on my Instagram. I post most things there first, so you see what I'm buying, what I ordered. Like I did a mini unboxing about this dress on my Instagram, so definitely follow my Instagram so you can see things there first. Video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. It helps me, it helps my channel. It also tells me that you enjoy watching this content. So if you like say more unboxing videos, please leave a thumbs up. It does help. Definitely click that notification bell and you'll be notified when I do post a video. I tend to post at least once a week. Sometimes I'm delayed, I know, life, but I do try to post once a week. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.